Favorite feature of this treadmill, one of them I should say, is the auto, like the storage of it. You just pull it up and it clicks into place. And so now it doesn't take up as much space and you can fit it in, you know, smaller areas and not have to worry about it. And then when you're ready to use it, you're just gonna push this in here. It clicks into place and then let go and step back. Look at that. Slowly coming down, soft release, boom. It's ready to go, ready to use. Get on it, turn it on. Default setting is 0.5 miles per hour. And then if you can press the 3 if you want to go to 3 miles per hour as a shortcut, or 6 miles per hour, 12 programmable modes. You have the quick release, so you're going to clip this onto your shirt. And then you also have the sensors on the side. Put your hand over it. It can read your pulse. It will come in up here and then speed up, speed down. Same on this side. Put your hand over this handle as well, the bar. And then this has stop and start options here. And the 2 cup holders. And you can pair your phone to it for Bluetooth.